Hello friends, welcome to bispsolutions.com. My name is Ali. So this is again a video on FCCS, Financial Consolidation in Closed Cloud Services of Oracle. Today we are going to talk about manage jobs, how one can manage jobs in FCCS. So here we go. So a job is a specified action of operations performed on user request, which you can start just on the same time right away, or one can schedule to run at a certain interval of time. So job can be import metadata, import data, then run business rules, then export metadata for backup, then refresh database. So I'm going to directly live login into the FCCS. This is the homepage of FCCS on my demo app. This is my demo version and I am logging as an admin here. So these are the card and cluster on the home page. We'll get the job card under the application here. Application is a cluster. Cluster is a bunch of card, a group of card, and a user navigate the FCC's application through the cards. So we need to click on the job as a card to enter into the job console. So this is a job console here where one user can check the pending jobs, recent activity, and then schedule jobs, delete job, and refresh. So one can schedule the job with job console here. One can check the recent activity. Under the recent activity here, recently I have consolidate the application. So we can open the consolidate recent activity. Then check the job status, job detail, the application name, cube name, then job status is showing completed here. If it is not completed or gives any error, so here once you click, you will get the error here. Just like this, it shows the errors message in the same way. So here we go. We'll create a job or schedule the job here. For example, I'm just going to simplify the manner right away to run a job to show how it runs. So I'm just tagging here. One can find what types of jobs is there. So rules, import data, import metadata, then all the job names is there. And one can check when do you want to run this job, run now or schedule. Then you will get how often do you want. You need to give the name. You want to check the recurrence pattern, if it is daily or monthly or once weekly, whatever you want. Then you need to select the end period. One can also select the period, time zones according to the requirement. So right now I'm just clicking on the same run icon. Then I need to click. I have already selected rules here. Then click on run. Then click on next. Then here I need to select the rules, which rule I need to run. Okay, I need to select the rule here. I am going to select the consolidate here again. And if I consolidate again, then I'm just again going the same POV. It's per the previous selections. So if I am selecting the same again, one can select the just the click on this icon. You can select or the other option you can change as per your requirement. Right now you need to select the all the mandate. These are the mandatory things with asterisk sign here, specify filters, entities, specify period, specify scenario, then specify the year. These are the four mandatory things one need to select for this rule, especially consolidation. I'm going to click on OK, then click on next. Once I click on next, I'm getting the review. So one can review of the selection that this is going to be a right, right direction or not. Then need to click on finish. So once I finish, because I have selected run now, so that's the reason it's showing run now. It's completed here. It totally depends on the requirement, the rule which you are going to. It may take some time or it's instantly. So I also can check the status right away. If I click on consolidate the job, it shows the run here. Again, job status is completed and all the summaries summarize here they have. So in this way, one can schedule job in FCCS. So that's all for today. If you have any query or question, you can comment below or you can visit to our website to engage an expert at www.bispsolutions.com. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.